Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share that I've just wrapped up my SwiftUI Chat App course. Now, this is especially special because for the first time, you can actually get the course completely free on Skillshare. So you can go ahead to the description and go to the following URL, which is iosacademy.io/SwiftUI Chat App Skillshare. And you're going to land on this page you see here, and you can join Skillshare for free premium membership for 14 days, where you can view tons of different courses, including this new one that I just released here. If you don't like your trial, you can keep it or get rid of it, totally up to you. Now, for those of you who want to support the channel more directly, instead of going through Skillshare, the course is also available on Teachable through iosacademy.io/courses. So you can head on over there and also take a look. This course goes over basically everything you would imagine in this type of app. So setting up reviews, making it interactive, making it real time. And I've got a really cool video that I'd like to share with you, a course overview. So let's roll that video, and I hope to see you guys in the course. Hey there, welcome to building a chat app with SwiftUI. My name is Afraz and I will be your instructor. This is the class where we are going to be building out a real-time chat application with SwiftUI for iOS. We're going to begin by creating beautiful views. This includes signing in, sign up, conversation list, and of course, the chat UI with these awesome chat bubbles that we have come to know and love. From there, we're going to grasp the fundamentals of passing data around so we can actually get our chat app to be functional. We'll hook it up to our backend, which will consist of Firebase, and Firebase will be used to store our users' conversations, messages, and even user accounts. We'll go step by step to understand every fundamental concept and talk through how to extend and customize all the pieces so you can go and make this really shine out as your own piece of work. Now, I've had the privilege of working on iOS and mobile apps for more than 10 years now, contributing to applications with hundreds of millions of users. I'm so excited to have the opportunity to share what I've learned with you and also build out a real-world application from scratch to finish. That all said, I'm so excited you're here. Let's get into the project. Let's start coding.